Hello everyone, my name is Parikshit Pandya and I'm a first year student of B.Ed program at Navracha University. The B.Ed program has been an enriching journey for me, offering a diverse range of courses such as childhood and growth on becoming a professional teacher, contemporary issues in India, knowledge and curriculum, and many more. Additionally, the program emphasizes the importance of critical thinking and art integration, both which are essential in today's educational landscape. These courses have significantly contributed to my overall development as an aspiring educator. The program also includes various practical sessions like integration classes, simulation and constructive classes, and practice teaching phase. The most impactful experience has been the 1 year internship program, which is still ongoing of mine, which has provided me with first hand exposure to real world challenges in education. This practical experience has been invaluable, and I believe it wouldn't have been possible without enrolling at Navracha University.